going on? How's everyone doing?
Shout out to Colin. Everybody else who's cool with Colin.
Shipkey, I didn't say.
Get your popcorn and your Coca-Cola and relax.
Anyway, tell Colin I'm ready.
What's going on? This is Colin. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great day so far. I've got a good one. It's a spicy one. This defendant, well, he's special. Let's just say that. He talks to himself a little bit, says some weird things, threatens the judge, and then storms out of court. Yeah, all that in one clip. All right, you guys ready? Before I hit that play button, you know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe. Do your jump kick backflips. Let's go.
Calendar I have is Adam Boyd, 502-00208 for an arraignment, 502-00204, 205, 206, and 207 will be arraignments on the motion to revoke filed by the city.
Oh yeah, there's a new charge, which is impossible.
So, Mr. Boyd, you should have received a copy of the criminal complaint that's been filed against you, as well as a copy of the motion to revoke that also has been filed, and a copy of your rights. Do you have those documents?
Yes, I do.
Do you have any questions about your rights?
A few, but not right now. I'm not even trying to get into it right now.
Present on Zoom is Mr. Claridge from our public defender's office, and he's going to assist with the arraignment process. The criminal complaint sets out one count, that is malicious mischief in the third degree, which is said to have occurred on about the first day of June 2022 in the city of Bremerton in the state of Washington, that you did knowingly and maliciously cause physical damage to the property of another in the amount not exceeding $750, contrary to the Bremerton Municipal Code.
Cool.
There's a maximum penalty of 364 days in jail and a maximum fine of $5,000. The court has read and reviewed the Bremerton Police Incident Investigative Report and does find that there's probable cause that a crime has been committed. On the motion to revoke, an amended motion to revoke was filed by the city prosecutor's office. It is dated June 1st, 2022. It sets out the following allegations: that there was failure to attend probation appointments, failure to comply with or file proof of chemical dependency evaluation, treatment, and or counseling, that you failed to remain abstinent, and that was for drugs on June 1st, 2022.
Got hard in the wrong way.
Positive for methamphetamine. Also, non-law abiding behavior, which was said to have occurred with the charges of the malicious mischief that we just went over.
I don't get to see your face either. I know it. Okay, we're not guilty now?
So Mr. Boyd, I need you to refrain from talking and make sure you're understanding what I'm going over as far as the arraignment charges, okay? So, Mr. Reed, if you would further assist with the arraignment process at this time.
Of course, Your Honor. We'd request the court enter a plea of not guilty and issue denials for Mr. Boyd, as well as set dates for pretrial on this matter.
So the record will reflect not guilty plea on the criminal complaint of malicious mischief in the third degree, the one count that's set out in the criminal complaint, as well as denials on the allegations set out in the amended complaint dated June 1st, 2022.
The Bailey really did die. Yeah, you guys know you're involved in because all this huge investigation, 1, 2, 3, you just got brought into the judge. Don't look away. There you go. I just wanted to go trying to tell you guys.
And the fact finding notice is his underlying attorney.
Go. What's his face go?
Yeah.
Someone's trying to help, trying to make you cover it up. Don't cover up the murder. They're so proud of themselves. Okay.
So in the matters that were set on for the motion to revoke, Mr. Bratt is the underlying attorney in those matters. Mr. Boyd, as far as your financial,
I'm broke, I'm homeless, I'm everything.
thank you, Mr. Boyd.
Yeah.
So nothing's changed as far as your sources of income.
Nope, nothing's changed except they got me on a charge. Yeah. Is it cool? Let's go. They still,
Okay, thank you.
yeah. Hey, Reed, don't shake. You guys are losers. Next time you book all my time, my brain come up with more shit. Sorry.
Like a fever? Okay, I need to hit the mat. If you're free, go back. Oh, it's up.
All right. After listening a couple times, I've been trying to figure out what he's saying to himself. It sounds like he said something about covering up murder. He was talking about the judge just got brought into this case, that it's bigger than her, something like that. Don't look away, look at me. That actually got everyone in the jail laughing at him. Other than that, I can't really pick up what he's saying. If you guys have better ears than me, well, you do have better ears than me. Very small chance you don't, but let me know what he's saying in the comments.
Ms. Harvey, as to conditions of release.
Thank you, Your Honor. We would ask that Mr. Boyd be ordered not to have contact with Paul Wright, that he be ordered not to have alcohol, non-prescribed drugs, or marijuana. We are asking for bail in the new matter, the newly charged malicious mischief, in the amount of $5,000. I'd also ask for $1,000 bail in the motion to revoke matters total, because it appears he has not been, at least from the allegations today, he has not been following the court's orders as far as remaining abstinent and committing an alleged new law violation. Thank you, Honor. Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Claridge, as to conditions of release.
Thank you, Your Honor. We would request PR on this matter as well as the MTRs. This conduct was obviously stemming from a substance use addiction that's been plaguing Mr. Boyd. I do believe that that release would be a better fit for him to go seek treatment and hopefully get a shelter during this time. The offense is a malicious mischief, and over the past year, I understand the concerns of the city, but the disorderly conduct, malicious mischief, these are non-violent and typically substance use issues. I believe that custody is not the best place for Mr. Boyd to deal with the underlying cause of this, and I would request personal recognizance on these matters.
All right, we've heard from both the attorneys. Now, I did tell you this guy was about to threaten the judge and then walk out of court or storm out of court, and I didn't lie to you. It's about to happen. He's about to give his take on how he feels about this case, and yeah, it's good.
Thank you, Mr. Claridge. So, Mr. Boyd, Mr. Bratt was notified as to the hearing today. I know he is an attorney that you've worked with on your previous matters, and I need to assign counsel on your new charge, the malicious mischief. And go ahead.
There's a pot. This is the most confusing thing because I was given all this time and I had to do all my time by Miss Harvey. This charge is bogus because I honestly should have this released if I did all my stayed time and everything that's underneath that time. This charge needs to be talked to with me. The new charges that I'm under, I can't believe that there's a malicious mischief charge by Officer Hoyson because she picked me up on a warrant, is what she said. She had to pick me up on, but I believe in this, so.
I understand. I understand that there's some frustration, Mr. Boyd.
Okay, thank you.
And so I'm gonna reserve on appointing Mr. Brett until I know if he's available for the new.
I technically don't want him involved in my case because he didn't do anything in the first place.
Okay.
He did not come to me and talk to me about my stuff. I just pled guilty right there. I mean, I lied to Judge Doctor, but he did not come to see me.
Okay. So, Mr. Boyd, the other option is the LaCrosse Murphy firm as far as representation.
I don't want that coming out of Judge Doctor's office either because they represented me last time and Philip or one of those guys, Noir, was disbarred because he messed up in my case. So I don't even want Judge Doctor. This is all messed up. You guys should not be you guys should not even be doing this with me right now. We should be in a Supreme Court. So not guilty, let's just do something. Reed, I'll see you soon, okay, bud? You don't understand what I know.
Mr. Boyd?
Yeah. Could I have a continuance or something? Thank you.
So as far as counsel, there appears to be a record noted in.
I'll see you soon, okay, bud? And then he just leaves. I don't know. Yeah, some people just have their own heads that's their biggest enemies, and this guy might be one of them. All right, yeah, we'll just finish this one up. I did actually cut it off here shortly because they talk about scheduling for the next couple minutes, so hold on.
Jabs as far as Mr. Boyd's conflict with the LaCrosse Murphy firm. Now it appears that there's a conflict with Mr. Bratt. Our other counsel is Eric McDonald. So Eric McDonald will be placed as counsel in all of these matters, and the record will reflect that. And the next court hearing for Mr. Boyd will be set
Months later, they closed the case. They tried to open it.
for.
All right. Yeah, that one was fun. And because it's Saturday and I'm not live streaming tonight, I've got a bonus clip for you. I hope you enjoy it. We'll call this the feel good clip of the day. How about that? For everyone that joins me on my live streams, you know what's coming.
Go ahead and go. All right, Mr. Butler, are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to read this to you. Mr. Butler, this says on February 11th of this year on 129th Avenue there in Wayland Township that you were driving while your driving privileges with Secretary of State were suspended or revoked. That is a misdemeanor. It's punishable by up to 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines and costs. Understanding that charge, sir, how do you wish to plead, guilty or not guilty at this time?
Guilty.
No, that ain't for you.
It's guilty.
I need him to be able to say this, ma'am.
You don't.
You plead.
You ain't paying no great big fine for that.
It's $575 in fines and costs, sir. Do you wish to plead guilty or not guilty?
It's guilty.
Okay, ma'am, he has to do the plea. You can't do the plea for him.
How much is it gonna cost?
Say guilty.
$575.
Say guilty.
570?
Doesn't matter, you're done, that, say guilty. You wanna go jail?
No, but I don't wanna,
You gotta say it's guilty, you did it. You did
Mr.
it.
Butler,
didn't
listen
do
to me.
anything, though.
I need, Mr. Butler, I need you to answer. Do you wish to plead guilty or do you wish to plead not guilty at this time?
Say guilty.
she says play guilty. What will it cost for
Doesn't
her
matter.
to play
I'm not
guilty?
gonna let you, sir, I'm not gonna let you plead guilty. I don't think you really understand what's going on right now. So we're gonna set you for a not guilty.
Excuse me.
We're gonna give you a PR bond. You're gonna have to come back to court for another court date and talk to the prosecutor, all right?
We don't
You
live
should not-
around here.
Well,
Excuse me.
sir, I don't believe you understand what I'm saying. I ask you questions and you answer me instead of yes or no, you just start talking about other things. And whoever it is that you've brought with you just keeps trying to answer for you, even when I told her she cannot answer for you. So I can't take a guilty plea if I don't feel you understand what is going on. So you'll have to come back and meet with the prosecutor next time.
Excuse me. He's
Yes,
an
ma'am.
old time, so he don't understand anything.
Okay, ma'am, that's exactly why I can't take a plea of guilty from him if he doesn't understand what's going on.
Oh, okay, I understand. Okay.
Yeah, so when you come back next time, you'll be able to talk to someone from the prosecutor's office. They might be able to work out some deal with you that they may not even proceed on this as long as they're sure he's not really driving around anymore. But
That's
you'll have
what
to
we
come
can
and meet
say.
with them next time, all right?
Okay, thank you very much.
Is this a good address for you, ma'am, on 3rd Avenue?
Yes.
All
Hey,
right.
I got
You know,
a
you can
question.
call in from home. You don't have to come all the way down here.
Can't get it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, read the paper that they send you next time. You can just call on the telephone from Fruitport. You don't have to drive all the way to Allegan. That'll be a lot easier, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
I hit the mute button instead of the pause button. You know, they look exactly the same, right? Anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. This was just a random Saturday video. I am going to put this out as a premiere so we can raid Biggin. So we're going to be raiding Biggin after this. At least I hope so. I'm going to schedule this afternoon so we can raid Biggin. And if he doesn't go live, I don't know what I'm going to do. All right. Please hit that like button. I would certainly appreciate it. And go tell Biggin I said hello. All right. That's it. Time to go home. Well, you're already home probably. All right. Yeah, I got nothing. Until next time. Bye.